Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes C-Class. The first thing you do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then you're watching out at the bottom. Now over here you can either click telephone here like so, or click the menu, the star, and then navigate to telephone using the thumb wheel, select, and then you've got connect device at the bottom. If it's not on that, if it's not highlighted, you just need to click the thumb wheel back towards you, click onto connect device. Then at the top you've got search for phones, search via telephone, but we do search for phones there. And then you've got to click, even though you just told it you want to search for a phone, you've got to click start searching. Let's give you time to get ready or something. So it's found Barry's iPhone there. Navigate to Barry's iPhone, click on it, and then we'll wait to see what happens here. Bluetooth pairing request. Do you want to pair and does it match the passkey here, 189048? Well, yes it does, so click pair there and then click yes on the Mercedes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. I may very well use this car, so I'm going to click allow, and there we go, Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected, and it's all set for use.